What's up, everybody? It's your boy Wes Grant, and we're watching Suburban Nerd. This is the channel where I give my nerd views on today's nerd news, but also do this thing what I call unboxing whatever I want. And today, what I'm unboxing is an anime edition. This whole week is pretty much an anime because I'm going to be unboxing the statues from the anime One Piece. If you guys don't know One Piece is basically about this guy Luffy that wants to be the king of the pirates, and his brother. What his name was, but his brother goes missing and he becomes a pirate. He becomes this badass pirate, and Luffy goes on in search to not only find his brother but also to become the king of the pirates. And he eats this fruit, what they call gum gum fruit, and this gum gum fruit that he eats turns him into basically a boy of rubber, Mr. Fantastic, but more badass. He has all these attacks. He has these second gear, first gear, third gear, where he pretty much amps up his power, sort of like if you think Super Saiyan. This goes to another level. But I'm gonna be showing you the three main females in the anime series. So first, I'm gonna be starting off with the latest one. Not latest one, but one of the ones that started. Already opened a box, but this is going to be Boa Hancock. This is her. Let's see how this looks. Actually looking forward to seeing it. Just kind of pieces. Alright, at least not that many pieces. Alright, so that's cool. So, that's how it comes in. Box, package. Not too much work, thank God. The last video I did, had to figure out how that thing stays together. Alright, this is it. This is her. Not sure how this was. I guess this is over. Oh, right there. That's what it is. This is how it's going to keep her steady. So, that's pretty much it. This is Boa Hancock. This pretty badass. Right there. See? I like it. Because nice little strike pose. I don't recall them wearing outfits like this that much in the animated series, but hey, looks cool. I like her, and I figured, because I got the two, so I figured about a trio. So this is Boa Hancock. She's also in love with, her powers is that when she touches things, she can turn things to stone. She turns it to stone, and she is in love and wants to marry Luffy, the captain of the crew. So that's it. Let me put that down. Alright, so that was the first one. Go through it real quick. Alright, the next one we've got is Nico Robin. Nico Robin. Her power is she can create multiple hands out of anything from anywhere. So she can make hands come out of your back and strangle you, or she can make hands come out of her and create these giant wings. Pretty much anything with hands. So, let's see. Let's go on to the... Alright, so, let's get this open again. This one, the torso is separated. Okay, and then the last piece, the head. Alright, so as you can see, put it together real quick. Okay. So, okay, I got that on there. Nico Robin. Sticking her head. Make sure to get the... Alright, so here we go. We got Nico Robin. Is there a stand for her? I mean, oh, yes, there actually is. There's a stand for her, and this is... Yep, for her foot as well. This is Nico Robin. It looks nice. See? Look at the hat. Spin it. Nico Robin. Looks like a badass cowgirl. Even got the gun on the side. And that's Nico Robin. So, yep, check that out. And last of all is the first one that joined the Straw Hat crew. And that is... Nami. Not sure of her last name, but everyone just calls her Nami. She doesn't really have gum fruit powers, but she has this bow staff that basically controls the weather. That was given to her by a crewmate. And she's learned how to fight more and more. Somehow she takes down people that are way out of her league. I don't know how she survives some of these fights, because everybody else has gum fruit. She doesn't, but somehow she's just like the crew. Like somehow, like I said, they last. So she has a couple extra pieces actually. And this one, what is this? Is this supposed to hold up her waist? See this thing right here? I don't know. It looks like it's supposed to hold someone up, most likely. So that's this. No, I guess so, because I don't see really a stand for her like everybody else, which I kind of don't like, because I don't like the fact that everyone else doesn't have to have a stand. I mean, it has like a little thing, but hers is like, it has to, you see it. Like, you don't want to see a little thing holding them by the waist, unless it's like an action pose. So that's the only problem with this. But let's see. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is Nico Robin. Like, yeah, I see it is. This is what it is. It's the stand for her, which I really wish it didn't have it. But I guess because she's doing something with her foot, so I guess this goes around the thigh. So this is it. This is Nico Robin. I'm not sorry. Nami. This is Nami. I don't know why I was thinking Nico Robin on the brain. So this is Nami. You guys like it? This is a pose. I don't remember her rocking booty shorts like that, but damn, Nami's looking good. But yeah, this is from One Piece. These three chicks are so badass though. Like in an anime, like One Piece is just over the top. It's over the top. It's probably one of the longest running anime ever, I believe. It like, other than Simpsons, and Simpsons isn't anime. Anime's Japanese animation. So I believe it is the longest running anime. It like 1,000 episodes or whatever. So that's pretty much it. Let me just stand these all up next to each other so you guys can check it out. And let's see how they look. So starting off, we got, you know what? Like I said, you know, I always do this, and always, never fails. they fall. They all fall. But let's see this time if it doesn't. Let's see if it doesn't this time. Have it stand up. So we got her. Okay. I think. I think these are good. I think this is good. Check it out. Yeah, I think these are nice. So this is how they all look. Tell me what you think, and we'll see. Let's see. Okay. Wow, first time. They didn't fall down. That's great. Like I said, when I finally finish my collection, I will definitely give a tour, let you guys see what I've been trying to build. Because my theme is badass females. Anime, superhero, comic books, anything is badass. So that's it. So remember to, if you guys liked it, if you guys have figures yourself, just comment down below. Like, tell me your channel. I can check it out. Remember to put on those notifications. And like I said, if you like this, comment down below. Tell me what you think about them. So, because I like to talk to people now about these things. So, remember to subscribe. Check out my my last unboxing. Check out the playlist of unboxing, whatever I want. And remember, I'm Grant. You've been watching Sub Urban Nerd, and you've just been nerdified. Catch you guys on the next unboxing.